The Air King Quiet Exhaust Fan series features a low profile grille that almost disappears into the ceiling. The 4-inch round non metallic duct collar and damper protects against backdrafts. The energy efficient blower provides quiet ventilation with sound levels from 0.5 to 1.5 zones. Air King provides multiple models to choose from, including 50, 80, 90, and 100 CFM models, as well as a dual speed 100 CFM model. All models are suitable and rated for continuous operation. Energy Star qualified, perfect ASHRAE 62.2 solution, and can be used to comply with California Title 24 requirements.